Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how much money is insured by Wealthsimple. This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm happy to finally be able to answer it for you. But before we get into the details, I want to start by asking you a question. What is Wealthsimple? Wealthsimple is a financial technology company that offers a variety of investment products and services, including robo-advising, ETFs, and cryptocurrency trading. They're a relatively new company, but they've quickly become one of the most popular investment platforms in Canada. So, how much money is insured by Wealthsimple? The answer is, it depends. Wealthsimple offers different types of accounts, each with its own insurance coverage. Here's a breakdown of the different types of accounts and their insurance coverage. Wealthsimple Basic accounts are not insured. This means that if Wealthsimple goes bankrupt, you could lose your money. Wealthsimple Invest accounts are insured up to $100,000 by the Canadian Deposit Insurance Corporation, CDIC. This means that if Wealthsimple goes bankrupt, you will be able to get your money back up to $100,000. Wealthsimple Trade accounts are not insured by the CDIC. This means that if Wealthsimple goes bankrupt, you could lose your money. Wealthsimple Crypto accounts are not insured by the CDIC. This means that if Wealthsimple goes bankrupt, you could lose your money. So, what does this mean for you? If you're looking for a safe and secure way to invest your money, you should consider using a Wealthsimple Invest account. Wealthsimple Invest accounts are insured by the CDIC, which means that your money is protected in the event that Wealthsimple goes bankrupt. However, if you're looking for a way to invest in cryptocurrencies, you should be aware that Wealthsimple crypto accounts are not insured. This means that you could lose your money if Wealthsimple goes bankrupt. It's important to note that insurance is not a guarantee that you will get your money back if Wealthsimple goes bankrupt. However, it does provide some peace of mind knowing that your money is protected to a certain extent. In addition to the insurance coverage, Wealthsimple also has a number of other security measures in place to protect your money. For example, they use two-factor authentication and encryption to protect your account information. So, how much money is insured by Wealthsimple? The answer is, it depends on the type of account you have. But in general, Wealthsimple accounts are safe and secure. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos. 1 on personal finance. 1. www.abroadero.com. www.abroadero.com. Thanks for watching.